absorption of our atmosphere is 1.4 kilowatt per meter square at outer side. Now passing through the atmosphere, the total solar energy is reduced due to following reason. As we know that atmosphere is collection of different gases. Hence the solar energy is absorbed by the gas particles, water vapors, dust particles, and reflection. On a clear day at noon, the intensity of solar energy reaching the earth is about 1 kilowatt per meter square. Hence this energy can be converted or used to heat water or produce electrical energy. For example, we can convert solar energy into electrical energy through the use of semiconductor devices like silicon, and these are called solar cells. Solar cells are also known as a photovoltaic cells. Solar cells are made up of silicon. Electrons and the silicon gain energy from the sunlight to create a voltage. A single voltaic or solar cell produces a very small amount of voltage. In order to get sufficient high voltage for practical use, a large number of such solar cells are connected in series, forming a solar panel. For cloudy days or nights, electric energy can be stored during the sunlight and nickel-cadmium batteries by connecting them to solar panels. These batteries can then provide power to electrical appliances at night or on cloudy days. Although solar cells are expensive, but it lasts for a long time and have low running cost. At last, let me teach you some applications of solar energy. Solar cells are used to power satellites having large solar panels which are kept facing the sun. Solar watches and solar calculators are also in use nowadays. Solar energy is used in industrial zones for power generations. Solar energy provides electrical energy to tube wells. Nowadays, different developed countries have introduced cars that are completely running on solar energy. Remember that solar energy is renewable energy, which we can use again and again. Solar energy is environment-friendly source of energy. It means solar energy doesn't pollute our environment because it doesn't produce pollutant gas like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, etc. To summarize my lecture, we learned that solar energy is the energy of the sun which we can use in different ways for long period of time without environmental hazards. That is why developed countries like China has invested $1 billion in renewable sources of energy.
I hope you have understood the chapter towards great energy. Now please read it and after some time solve the practice paper which is given. Students, you are also expected to gather information about solar light, solar water heating system and solar cooker. Write it down on a foolscap and it is to be submitted when school reopens.